statement of BCDA banning us, myself, as already been said, the chairman of the House Rules of the club, referring to Cab Janhi Court Club, Attorney Bong Dapat, the chairman of the membership committee, and Engineer Mars Garcia. Three of us I should say, co-plaintiff in the case that we filed against BCDA. The reason why we advance it is because we did not withdraw our names as plaintiff in this case. I had the discussion with Chairman Larry Paredes last Friday. I clearly told him that as far as I am concerned, for myself, for the caddies, for the employees, and for the members, we do not somewhat disagree, we do not object for the full implementation of the decision of the Supreme Court for BCDA to take over the golf course, the improvement, because that's the decision of the Supreme Court which already attained finality. What is I am clamoring for only is the security of the members, the employees in the caddies. Chairman Paredes told me that with respect to the caddies and the employees, they will absorb them. That's what he said. In our case, as members, they do not recognize us as members. They call us as patrons. I do not have much problem with that. And he told me, you will continue to enjoy the same privileges by paying 5,000 just per month. You can play in time. That's what he said. But this is only during the interim, which is 6 months, renewable for a maximum period of 6 months. So I said, what will happen after the 1-year period? We will again talk, and so long as we will be there, we will continue that kind of arrangement. So I said, if that's the case, why can we not reduce that into writing? And he said, and this is the point of my concern, because he said he has no authority to sign that kind of agreement. I asked him, have it be approved by the board of BCDA? But he did not answer it that way. So that is where we have started. So clear now, what I am standing for is, please recognize the security of the members of the club.